So today I'll be doing a video tutorial on how to pay for your Cukai Tanah at the Pejabat Tanah dan Galian Selangor online. So here I have with me a sample copy of the Cukai Tanah to the PTG Selangor. If you own a property in Petaling Jaya or Selangor area, whether it's a landed property or condo or apartment, or you want to own a property and want more information on real estate, investment and finance, hit the like button and subscribe below.
So now we are in the portal e-hasil, so you can make your payment for your Cukai Tanah and Cukai Petak, or you can search it at the Google search at ehasil.selangor.gov.my to make the payments. So now we're going to do the payment by clicking Buat Pembayaran Sekarang on the top left here. And we are brought to the next page where you can make payment for the Cukai Tanah. So you can key in the account number or do the Cukai Tanah search by filling in the relevant information like the daerah, mukim, bandar or pekan, jenis hak milik and nombor hak milik. So once you key in either the account number or the relevant information for the Cukai Tanah, click Cari to search, and then you've been brought to the next page where is the Putaran hak milik, which is hak milik information. So you have here the hak milik number, account number, land usage, lot or plot number, size of the land, the daerah, the mukim and the jenis hak milik and the nombor hak milik, and then also the ownership information such as the owner's name and address. And then when you scroll down, you'll be listed here the amount that you need to pay. So now we want to make the payment, so click teruskan ke pembayaran. So here's the amount that you need to pay. So you can make payment via SPX or debit or credit card. So after you make payment, don't forget to save the receipt. So thanks for watching, and if you find this information helpful, click the subscribe button and like button below to stay tuned for more.